Welcome to Prasad Construction Hub YouTube channel.
The door to a puja room is an important element that sets the tone for the sacred space. The choice of door material and design for a puja room holds great significance, as it not only enhances the aesthetics but also reflects the spiritual essence of the space. There are various ways you can design your puja room, and an important aspect of the entire process is a puja room door design. A puja room door can be made of a variety of materials. In ancient times, wood and stones were used to make the doors of temples. In the modern world, wood, plywood and glass are the most common materials used to make a puja room door. When it comes to selecting the door material, there is a wide range of options available. One of the most popular choices is wood, which brings a warm and natural feel to the puja room. These wooden doors can be intricately carved with motifs and religious symbols, adding a touch of elegance to the space. A classic choice for a puja room door is a traditional wooden door. It adds warmth and elegance to the space. You can opt for intricately carved designs or go for a simple yet elegant look. Another material that is gaining popularity for puja doors is glass. Glass doors create a sense of openness and allow natural light to enter the room, creating a peaceful ambience. If you prefer a more contemporary look, consider a glass door with etching. You can have religious symbols or motifs etched onto the glass to create a unique and visually appealing design. Frosted or etched glass designs with religious motifs can be used to maintain privacy while still adding a decorative element to the door. For those looking for a mix and match of materials, combining wood and glass is a great option. This combination allows for a unique and contemporary design, where the wooden frame can feature intricate carvings while the central panel can be made of glass. This blend of materials creates a harmonious balance between tradition and modernity. Metal doors with ornate designs are another popular choice for puja room doors. Brass, wrought iron, or stainless steel can be used to create intricate patterns and designs. These doors give a regal and luxurious touch to the puja room. For a rustic and earthy look, a carved stone door can be an excellent choice. Sandstone or granite can be used to create beautifully carved doors with intricate patterns or religious motifs. These doors not only look stunning but also add a sense of grounding to the space. If you have limited space or prefer a modern look, a sliding door can be a practical and stylish option. You can choose from various materials like glass, wood, or metal to create a sliding door that complements the overall design of your puja room. Mandala are geometric patterns that hold deep spiritual significance. Incorporating a mandala design on your puja room door can create a sense of harmony and balance. It can be painted, carved, or even created using stained glass. Taking inspiration from the doors of ancient temples, you can create a door with intricate carvings and motifs that reflect the rich cultural heritage. These doors exude a sense of divinity and spirituality. CNC cutting design for puja room door provides a modern and appealing design to the room. Since the process is computerized and involves the use of software, there are a lot of options in designs to choose from. From mandalas to the god you follow, you can get anything engraved on your puja room wall according to your taste with puja room door CNC design. In addition to the choice of material, the design of the puja door is equally important. Traditional designs often feature elaborate carvings of deities, flowers, and geometric patterns. These intricate designs reflect the rich cultural heritage of India and add a sense of grandeur to the puja room. For a more contemporary look, minimalist designs with clean lines and simple motifs can be opted for. These designs focus on simplicity and elegance, creating a serene atmosphere in the puja room. Let's watch the different types of puja room door designs. Please watch the entire video.